First call.
Can I borrow that pencil?
Get out of the phone. Get out of the picture. I need to take a video. I'm just gonna stop it.
I dropped it. I borrowed that pencil. Thank you, Chard. I have pen and other pencil. Give me pen. Yeah.
They both fixed their head at the same time.
Pen. Danko.
Come on! Come on! Come on, Zoe! I'm not trying to step on your thing, but I did a little bit.
Okay, it's fine. I just found a furry in this book. It looks so cute. I'm joking.
That's not a furry, that's a therian. Oh wait, never mind. It says third furries on it. You got this, Zoe! Don't pick yourself! Come on!
They're just laying on the mat with each other. Excuse me.
Come on, Zoe! Come on,
Harvey Eli.
This is not my phone.
Charlie Sampson. Najee